we are happy about that, but we are not involved in those petitions.
Opo.
And probably that will be another source of irritants on the part of the administration.
Pero nga, kayo yung defense team ninyo, handang-handa na ho ba dito sa January 16 na ito, Justice?
In fact, we wanted to accelerate the hearing.
Okay.
We have alleged an affirmative defense, and we filed the motion that our affirmative defense be preliminarily heard.
Okay.
That will be up for the impeachment court.
Okay.
So, yung sinasabi ng we are dealing with technicalities, we are delaying, we are accelerating. Sila nga ayaw mag-hearing doon.
Okay. Bukod dito sa inilabas kahapon na information about dun sa condo unit, may mga iba pa raw na ilalabas ang mga kongresista na magiging prosecutor.
I do not think they can do that because a rule of procedure in our country pursuant to the rules of court and the evidence and the jurisprudence on the point, that which is not alleged may not be proved.
Okay. Reaction nyo, Congressman?
Well, parang nakalimutan ata ni Justice Cuevas na hindi ito yung Criminal Court of Justice. Ito ay impeachment proceeding. Liberal dito ang rules at para ito sa malaman ng taong bayan. Hindi ko lang maintindihan na sinasabi niya na gusto nilang i-accelerate yung process. Bakit gusto nilang ipa-dismiss yung complaint bago magsimula sa technicality? Kung handa sila, ang defense panel, umpisahan na natin ang impeachment at wag na tayong magtago pa sa technicalidad.
Okay. Justice Cuevas?
Paano po masasabing technicality? And that is allowed by the rules. And we were asked to answer. So we filed an answer, we incorporated an affirmative defense. Are we not entitled to be heard in connection with that affirmative defense? Now, secondly, yung yung sinasabi niya rules of procedure will not apply. I wanted to agree with him, but I'm sorry that I cannot. I have been teaching the subject for more than 40 years at the UP College of Law.
Okay.
And, I had never met a jurisprudence. Precisely, wala namang impeachment proceedings po sa atin. It's only yung kay ERAP at yung kay Ombudsman
Merceditas.
Gutierrez. Yung unang dalawa na yun, hindi naman nagkaroon ng full blast. There is no pronouncement whatsoever that the rules of procedure will not apply. It applies. In fact, there is a categorical with suppletory effect to the rules of impeachment prescribed by the House of Representatives and the Senate.
Okay, kamusta?
Akin pong sinasabi po nila na napakalakas ang kanilang ebidensya. Preparado sila.
Opo.
Magagaling sila. Bakit po nangangailangan pa ng private prosecutor? Very clear yung provision ng kanilang rules and impeachment rules.
Impeachment,
na sinasabi doon na may I be allowed to read it so that I'll not.
Sige po. Ayan.
Rule 6.
Pinapayagan ba yung mga private prosecutor?
Section 15. The House of Representatives shall act as the sole prosecutor in the trial in the Senate through a committee of 11 members thereof to be elected by the majority vote.
Opo.
Yan po sinasabi, shall be the sole prosecutor. No mention. Wala naman, they were not granted the power to appoint private prosecutors. I'm very happy to be locking horns with them because at least I'll be benefited by what they know, and it could be it can contribute a lot to my. I may be teaching the wrong law, so with their presence in there, I'll be happier.
Okay, may private prosecutor ba kayo, Kong?
Well, siguro pa hindi lang nabasa ni Justice Cuevas na merong Senate impeachment trial na rules.
Okay.
At siguro pakibasa na lang Justice Cuevas kasi nakalagay dun sa rules ng Senado na allowed yung private counsel under the control and supervision of the panel of prosecutors.
That is correct. There is
At
such a provision.
pangalawa siguro, hindi ko naman sinabi na hindi mag-apply ang rules of procedure. Mag-apply pero liberal dito ang interpretation because this is an impeachment proceeding. So impeachment po ito, hindi po ito criminal
court.
Ito po rule ninyo Are you not barred pursuant to this rule? Disregarding the rule of the Senate? Because this refers to at the trial in the Senate. Trial na to
Pero Justice, napayagan ito nung panahon ng ERAP impeachment,
yeah, but they're citing that as jurisprudence or precedent. How could that be? When that was not terminated, there is no pronouncement in there. Even in the Gutierrez case, wala po namang trial yan
Okay.
Hindi natuloy. So how could there be jurisprudence? How could that be a late jurisprudence in that case? are
Sabi na-
always seeking refuge.
Tingnan natin doon sa unang araw ng
liberal
impeachment
po
trial.
dito, ganito, ganyan, and so on. Huwag po naman ganun.
Opo.
Ito po mahigit pa sa bitay, sa bibitayan ng sinasabi nila preparado sila, pero hanggang ngayon naghahanap pa sila ng ebidensya. They're looking further into ganito, ganito.
Okay.
Kung hindi po mag-apply ang rules of evidence, wala na, patay na po si Chief Justice. Because they can do anything
Mukhang
they want.
nakikita natin magandang teaser ito ng impeachment trial sa darating na January 16. Abangan po natin yan. Justice! Salamat
Opo, we are
po.
prepared to present our evidence in connection with our plea of affirmative defense. And we
Opo.
hope that the impeachment court will grant us the opportunity to do so.
Okay.
We'll be heavily thankful to the
Okay
impeachment
po.
court.
With due respect po, my apology po. Justice Serapin Cuevas. Salamat po.
Salamat po naman. Binalik ninyo ako. Akala ko inimpeach na ninyo ako eh.
Okay.
Akala ko
Ingat
inimpeach
po.
na ninyo ako, kaya wala na yung justice eh.
Ingat po, ingat po. Good morning.
Salamat
Happy
po.
New Year, Happy New Year.
Salamat po. Oh, Neil,
Opo.
kasapin ko si Neil.
Oh, yan, si Kong.
Yes,
oh, Kong.
yes po,
Neil.
Justice.
Oh.
Congratulations, good luck, and more power.
Naks,
Sa'yo rin,
ayan.
sa'yo rin, Justice. Same to you.
Eh, ikaw na
Happy New Year.
Maganda to. Okay. Maraming
Oo.
salamat. Si Justice Serapin Cuevas po.
This is merely a discussion ako. Hindi pa naman trial ito eh.
Salamat po sa edukasyon. Okay.
Salamat, Neil, and more power, ha?
Thank you
More
po.
power. Thank you.
po. Justice Serapin Cuevas po, isa po sa mga nangunguna sa defense team si CJ Corona. So ito, nakikita na natin yung simula ng debate nyo dyan sa impeachment trial. At good luck din sa iyo, Congressman. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
Thank you, Igan. Thank you.
Congressman Neil Tupas Jr. at kanina si Justice Serapin Cuevas. Yan po ating talakayan. Babalik ka, ha? Magbabalik din po ng hearing.
Ang Silver Swan ay saludo sa manlalarong Pinoy at sa kainan, maging half Pinoy man o purong Pinoy. Alok lagi ang kaibang sarap. Sa unang tikim, sama-sama sa kasiyahan. Panlasang Pinoy, panalo sa sarap. At sa mga di inaasahan, sama-sama pa rin sa chibugan. Silver Swan Soy Sauce, kalidad na panalo sa taste mo. Silver Swan Soy Sauce.